They're jumping on my head.
Oh, look at them!
They nearly jumped on my head, for God's sake. I was bricking myself.
That's why I said throw it quick.
Oh my God! No, Max!
Did you get it on video?
Is there still food down there?
It's all gone.
Really? Isn't there any more?
No, they've all gone.
Woo!
They all took it.
That was quick.
Oh, Jesus.
Naughty seagull. Oi, what are you doing? Zoom in. What are you doing, seagull? Naughty boy. You are? You're a naughty boy. Typical seagulls. Right. They've ate all this food. Look. Look at it all gone. Where are you? Oh look, there's one up there. Wow. Can't believe that. Doing a little dance. Whoa! Whee! Bye! Off you go! Woohoo! Whoa, there's another one going fast. And another one. How many more? Wow, they're on the roof now. Oh, well, that's the end of the food, so I guess this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, bye!